Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video tour. Today we are taking a look at this brand new 2024 North Trail 25 FK travel trailer. This is a smaller 2-slide out front kitchen couples coach. I'm going to take a few minutes here, kind of run you through the inside and outside of this RV, kind of show you what this thing's all about. So let's get started on the inside. And we'll come on back to the outside for you. So stepping up into your new RV, right here on the right, you're gonna have your electric box with your breakers and fuses. You got a little fire extinguisher right there. There is some switches for some lights, awnings, and slides. Now right here, immediately on the left, you're gonna have kind of a pantry / closet area, depending on what you want to use it for. You can see there in that picture, it's got a couple different shelves. Those are removable. There's also some little coat hook holders back there as well. Now, just on the inside of that area is gonna be your entertainment area there. So you got your TV and fireplace. We'll spin back around there and show you that here shortly. Got one of your 2 slide outs. This thing comes in at just under 26 feet long. So it is a shorter front kitchen compared to what I'm used to videoing, because usually these things are 34, 35 feet long for this type of floor plan. Over here, you're going to have your microwave, your hood range light and fan. It also has a 3-burner gas cooktop. And then down below it has the air fryer by Suburban. So a little different setup here as well. Solid surface kitchen countertop there. Nice big window overlooking the front of the RV area. And then another window over there that does open by your stove. Now you can see popping up in this picture, there is again kind of a little shelf / pantry area down the left. You have 4 full extending ball bearing drawer guided drawers. With also some storage underneath of the sink area there. It is a large undermount sink, high-rise faucet there. On your slide, you have that ever-chill 10.7 cubic foot fridge. The material on the slide floor also matches the lino on the main floor. This sofa here will actually come out and go into dinette mode. So if you are wanting to sit in here and eat or whatever, you can flip out the table that's actually built into the couch. And then if you do have a guest that's coming with you, you can also flip it out again and have a sofa bed here as well. All right, looking up at our ceiling area here, you can see there are a couple speakers up here. There's ducted AC right here, your smoke detector, few LED lights up here. It is also prepped for the Gateway Connect feature by Winegard. It has a Winegard Air 360 Plus TV antenna on the roof. Then you can buy this Gateway thing, hook it up right there, and subscribe to like AT&T or Verizon wireless internet, and bring the internet with you a little easier. Electric fireplace, which is basically a fancy electric space heater. You do have a radio built in right there. There is also, obviously, the TV right here as well. Digital thermostat over here for your AC and your propane furnace. The door here swings open, and you're basically stepping into your bathroom area. You have a foot flush toilet down here. And that has a little shelf space area back in behind there. Vent fan. You have your step-in shower. There's a skylight up above, glass enclosure. Little sink area right here. Medicine cabinet. Now it has a sliding door to block off the bedroom for the from the bathroom. Right here is going to be, like, see, water heater on electric button, it says. We have a water heater on gas button, water pump, and then our monitor panel for our holding tanks. You'll see some of these have this little solar prep thing right here. The unit's prepped for a solar panel system, and also prepped for an inverter system that you can option in on this model if that interests you. Now we're looking here at the bedroom area. Another slide out. So we have basically a Camper King bed here. There is some storage up above the bed. You have the window back there that'll open. A couple little shelf things up there as well. Now this bed will raise up. It has shock assist on it and gives you a lot of extra storage right there as well. Big window on the rear of the RV as well. And over here at the foot of the bed, you have a decent size hanging closet space and 6 more dresser drawers. You also have an entry exit way going in and out of the bedroom here. Couple electric outlets on this back wall here. A pretty good amount of room to maneuver around here and to be able to get up in the morning and get dressed and everything. All right, let's step on out to the outside here real quick. I want to show you around the outside, and then we're going to come back in and close it up for you. So walking back out your RV, you have these heavy-duty MoreRide entry-exit steps on both doors. They are rated for 500 pounds. They come down, touch the ground, have adjustable feet on it. They flip in and out of the doorway when traveling. The front door here has a window in it that's Lippert thin shade ready, so you can add in that aftermarket shade. The back door does not have the window in it. You have a white fiberglass exterior, aluminum studded foam block insulated sidewall with the upgraded Azdel composite material on your fiberglass sidewall here. So it's much less likely to have delamination problems compared to a wood Luan backer like a lot of brands use. Azdel costs a little bit more money. You have deep tint safety glass windows in the RV. 2 outdoor speakers up high there. You have your stove exhaust vent there next to the awning arm. Gravity fill fresh water tank down here. Your water heater, again, gas electric water heater right there. And your furnace exhausting out to the left of the main door there. Large handle there to get you in and out of that main door. You got a big power awning here. LED light strip built in, manual override, adjustable arms. And right here you do have a little bit of outside storage, not a whole lot on this part. There's a light back there, and there's also prepping for the tire link monitoring system that you could also do aftermarket. And then a solar charge controller here if you do decide to install a solar panel on the roof. It's already got that controller there. It is a dual axle unit, aluminum wheels, drum brakes. It has a wide stance axle system on here to make it a little more stable, less sway when going down the road. There's an electric outlet there. There is a couple little advertisements there talking about that Azdel and also the 3-year limited structural warranty. So it does come with that 3-year limited structural warranty, which doesn't sound like a lot, but in the RV world that actually is, because a lot of brands only come with a 1-year warranty on their structure. Just down below here in the corner, there is hot and cold low point water drains. You also have the gas line hookup, so you could plug in a portable grill out here. You also have a hot and cold outside utility shower right here and a city water inlet as well. On the back side, you have a traditional flat back fiberglass rear end. You have your spare tire mounted to your 4-inch square tube bumper. A lot of people like to use that bumper to store their dump hose in, or maybe put a little bike rack on if it's not a real heavy duty setup there. You also have in the top right corner, prepping for the Lippert portable stow and go ladder, which is a nice little telescoping ladder that can help you get up and down on and off your roof. You also are prepped in the top center there for the Furrion rear observation camera. That's a nice feature to consider adding. Lets you see what's going on behind you when you're driving down the road and backing into a campsite. Definitely would really recommend that one. On the slide outs here, these are cable slides the way they're set up here. They're 12 volt powered. Push a button, they go straight in, straight out. You are prepped for Solaire slide toppers, which is basically an awning that would roll in and out with the room and cover the top of the room. So it helps repel a lot of water, leaves, twigs, debris, shades the top of the room in the hot summer. And, you know, just a nice thing to kind of consider adding if you're that interested. Talk with a sales guy. But that right there is all set up for it if you want to do something like that. On that back corner was a button for the rear jacks to go up and down. You have your detachable 30 amp power cord right here, your black tank flush to clean out the toilet system, and your cable outlet right above those wheels there. Step back here so you can see down the whole side a little bit better. As you can see on that front area, it has a nice rounded kind of bubble out section to it, trying to make it a little bit more aerodynamic than the old school flat RVs on the front. There's another button right here for the front jacks. Then we have a few informational things right here. So let's take a look at this. So for example, this RV was built 1/4/24. It has a gross vehicle weight of 7,760 pounds. It's the most you can load it up to, axle weight, hitch weight, everything combined, don't exceed that. We have a tire sticker here telling us our tires are ST205 75R14D range tires with, it looks like a 65 PSI cold. Make sure you keep up with that, very, very important. Then we got kind of a weight spec stuff here on like water and some different things. One more sticker I'll show you when we get to the door over there again is the dry weight sticker to tell us what it weighed dry. Now on the front of the RV you have kind of a heavy duty 3/4 fiberglass front cap, has that big window in it, lower metal diamond plate. You have power tongue jack as well, so you got power stabilizer and power tongue jacks. You have heavy duty safety chains, 2 5/16 hitch ball. There's room for 1 or 2 batteries to go back here depending on the size of the battery. There's also a battery disconnect system right there as well to shut things down. All right, let's check out the little weight sticker here as we go on back in. I think it was on this door. Yep, right there it is. So right here we have a dry weight, according to this, of 5,638 pounds. So just a little over 5,600 pounds empty. All right, folks, thanks a ton for taking the time to watch my RV video. Greatly appreciated. We're going to hop back inside real quick and show you what it looks like closed. We'll be right back on the inside. All right, we are back up inside the new 2024 North Trail 25 FK. And I wanted to show you what this thing looks like all closed up. So I went ahead and closed up the back bedroom for us real quick. Kind of speed this part up. Now you can see when it's closed, it comes right in against the dresser area. I could still get to the closet, but not the dresser. I'm not really able to raise up the bed, but I could get on the bed, lay down, take a nap or something at a rest area or something like that. You could still get to your overhead cabinets. You got full access from the back door here to come into this bedroom and also come into your bathroom with no problem. Now, where this changes up a little bit is going to be closing up this slide out here. Now, when you are ready to close things up, you want to come right back inside your doorway here to your slide button. You got your back bedroom and your front bedroom, or your front kitchen, your slide here. Hit the button. It's going to come straight in here. So straight in, straight out. Very, very important on these slides when you're closing them or even opening them to make sure nothing's in the way. You don't want to accidentally run into an electric pole or water pole at the campground. And coming in, you got to worry about having a clean floor so that you don't accidentally run over a rock or something and basically rip your floor. So very important to make sure your floor's swept before you bring it in. But as you can see, when it's closed, I can still do a little bit of stuff up here, but this door doesn't fully open. A skinnier person probably could fit through here. I'm not going to try it. I might be able to squeeze through there, but it'd be looking kind of funny on camera. So we're going to stay away from that. But, you know, you could still come in here at a rest area or grocery store or whatever and load stuff in your fridge, your cabinetry and things, you know, pretty comfortably. And then again, you got the back door if you really needed to kind of go back into the bedroom and can't squeeze through this area really. And when you're ready to take it back out, all you got to do is hit the button and it goes right on back out. Pretty quick and easy. So as long as you got a good charged up battery system, this thing should roll in and out pretty well. Now, if you don't mind, please remember to hit that like, share, and subscribe button there if you know anybody looking for something like this. Be sure to tell them to check out the folks at Couch's RV Nation, guys. They are one of the largest internet discount dealers in the country. They were actually the #1 selling towable RV dealer in 2023 as well. They definitely save a lot of people a lot of money. Thanks again for watching my videos.